Got my old trusty enchilada sauce. Now a bottle of tequila and some butter. I wonder what we're gonna get into here. Got some cilantro. Got some shrimp. When you have butter, you gotta have garlic. So simple, so good. Shrimp! Oh, yeah, baby! Let that cook for a bit. You can already see the color coming through. Very nice. My whole house could go on fire right now. We'll see what happens. Oh, flambe, baby, let's go. Oh, yes! Oh, yeah. Shit, that is nice, bro. Give it some more. Come on. That's sexy right there. Talk to him.
Oh, look at that. Man, that's done. That's color.
Woo! Come on, man. That's nice. That is nice. And now the old trusty enchilada, just a little bit, just to coat it. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. We'll give it a little color. Wow, bro. Wow. Come on, man. And my smoke alarm just went up.
Damn.
Oh, that's looking real nice.
Whoa! Action!
Not too much.
That's a couple more. That looks good. Nice and tight. Nice and tight.
Nice, bro.
I wish I could go up boiler level and just use it my hands. Oh, not quite there yet. It's a real operation here. Oh, dude, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. We lost 2 pieces, but we'll put that on top. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Got it. But you know what you got inside there?
That's nice. Got cheese, onions, and shrimp. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna let this cook for like maybe another 30 seconds to melt the cheese inside. I'm gonna pour some more sauce on it. It's gonna be
Feel that
nice.
cheese smell, man.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh, come on, man.
Get that nice and
Yes.
saucy, man.
Coated. That's nice. That's nice.
A little shape for good measure. And we're going in.
Oh, instant action. Get some shrimp. That's good. I like that. You're very judicious with your shrimp.
There we go.
You don't want to overload it.
That's it. That's it.
Okay, so an onion mixture. That's nice.
Some more queso. Cheese.
That looks real good, bro.
All right, let's do this.
Now this is what separates
Men from the boys.
the man from the boys, or the abuelas with the gringos.
Let's go.
You can
Shit.
do it. Oh, he poked through.
Shit,
It's
shit.
okay. It's okay. That's
Shit.
recoverable. That is recoverable. One more turn, baby. You're almost there. Wow. 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 You got it. That's it. That's it. That's nice.
That's an enchilada.
That is an enchiladas. That is an enchiladas, bro.
Man, that's a tricky little maneuver there.
Yeah, it's not easy. One day we can stick our hand in there like we don't give a shit. That's mine. That's Remy's. And we refried the black beans. It's beautiful.
A little cilantro in there.
Oh, dude. There you go. And now we gotta also add a little more sauce. This sauce is hot right now. Oh, that's so. That is so nice, bro. I mean, come on, man. I mean, you might be shitting for a couple days, but well worth it. Oh, you know what? Why don't we add like an extra couple of shrimp? Just to let them know. Just to let them know there's a shrimp enchiladas. Time for the taste test.
Here we go. Come on. Give me some of that.
Gotta get that shrimp, man.
Dude, that is better than any fucking restaurant, man.
You tell him, Remy. Tell him, bro.
That's amazing. That's actually so good. Holy shit.